Alright guys, so let's talk about this box first. So, as you can see, but before that, I'm going to include the photo of the box, the original one, on the lower right corner here, so that you can see what's the difference between the original one and the bootleg one. Okay, so we're gonna open this bootleg kit for you. So as you can see, the first thing that is similar with the original box to the bootleg one is the design itself. Alright, so the bootleg one got the design, also the name here on the side. As you can see, it's still the same, but they do have a lot of difference as well. They don't have the manufacturer's name was a different one. They have the Japanese or Chinese inscription here for the name, and it has a number here. So for the original one, they don't include the number. Maybe this is the box number, or it's just a signature of the manufacturer. So I don't have a clue what is that, but it does have a number here. So for the side there, as you can see, it's like any other Gundam box out there. Sorry for that. It includes the design when it is actually done. So let's tackle here on the other side first. There. So this kit has 2 transformations, or 3. I believe there's 3 transformations for this. So first of all is the Defender A unit. Okay, so this Gundam is the ReZEl Type C, limited production, transformable mobile suit, so it can transform. Okay, so the first transformation is the Defensor A unit with the beam saber, the rifle, the cannon. As you can see there, it actually looks like a spacesuit. Like everything is in here. Okay, as you can see there. So the second one is the Defensor B unit. There. So it has the grenade launcher and the beam saber, but it is optional if you wanted it. So the only difference is it doesn't have the shoulder pads as shown here. The back shoulder parts there for the third transformation, which is the assault spacecraft pilot mobile suit. Okay, so as you can see here on the side as well, it is just the same as the original one. So this is the third transformation of the kit. Battle spacecraft here on the side, assault spacecraft. There we go. Drop a like, leave a comment, and I hope that you all enjoy this video for today. So as always, see you again. Hope you enjoy.